Well, we decided to come out to the dog run area. It's not the yard because they can't go out in the yard till they have their vaccines, but they're exploring this little area and they figured out how to use the stairs. Mochi, show them how to use the stairs. Come on, let's go up here. And the other pups are waiting for them. We have a fence because we don't want anybody falling in the pool. Mochi, Rocky, come here, guys. And they've already figured out how to use this area for potty. Oh, good boy. Well, I don't know that we need to have this on video, but you see, they get the idea that out here is a spot to go potty. Come on, guys. Come on up the steps. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Show them how you can use the steps. Oh, good job, Rocky. Come here, Mochi. Mochi. Come on, Mochi. You could do it. Good job. Yay. Good for you. Come on, Mochi. Come on. Come on over here. So you've been out playing a while. You're already tired, probably. And I figured I had a while before I had to learn about the dog door, but Rocky already figured out the dog door. Not Mochi yet. Mochi, come here. Oh, there he goes, which is not good because that area is not secure. We'll have to go get Rocky. Where are you? Come here. Come here. Oh, you're a busy boy. Okay, we have to go back outside. Oh, PJ's in the dog door. Okay. Where did Mochi go? Mochi! We've lost one dog.